Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am ChevaZapata and today I am super excited because I can show you a new, easy and faster way of doing your eyelash extensions. I discovered this hack completely by accident. It's a simple tweak to the normal process everyone shows, but trust me, it's a total game changer. And the best part is that you don't need anything extra. If you already own a set of eyelash extensions, you are all set. Now here's the important part. It needs to be clusters, like the ones I use on this video. By doing this process, I almost guarantee you that you're gonna save a lot of time, but of course, the more you practice, the better it's gonna come out, the faster it's gonna come out, the happier you're going to be. And because I wanna help as many as you as possible, I am also making this video in Spanish. Y si tú no entiendes inglés, no te preocupes porque también estoy haciendo este video en español y va a estar posteado un video antes o un video después. Now, let's start. The first thing I'm gonna show you here is how to clean your tweezers. As I mentioned, everything I use comes in the kit itself. Now, I'm not entirely sure if the bond included is meant to clean the tweezers, but that is what I use. I apply it with a little sponge or a little cotton pad and it leaves them super clean. Honestly, I don't clean my tweezers after every use. I just toss them in the drawer and I move on with my life. Now the kit that I'm using is from Lash, which I got from Amazon and I love it, but you can use any kit that you have in hand. Most of the kits come with the bond and the glue, the remover, and the tweezers, so you already have everything that you need. Now here is the trick. Apply the glue to your natural lashes as if you were putting on mascara. Make sure that you coat every lash thoroughly, and don't worry if you accidentally get glue on your skin. We will clean that up later. Most tutorials tell you to apply glue to a section of your lashes and glue to the extensions, stick it on, press it in place, and then repeat for every section. But that was a little bit too much for me, so I asked myself, what if I apply the glue to all my eyelashes like mascara and then stuck all the extensions at once? And guess what? It worked. Sometimes it's a little messy, but with practice, it's a total time saver. Once you apply glue to all your eyelashes, start sticking on the extensions without adding any glue to them. You will have time to adjust them without rushing. But here's a tip. Make sure your extensions are ready beforehand. Lay them on a small tray or the kit lid so you don't waste time while the glue is drying. And like I said before, the more you practice, the faster and better this process gets. Let me tell you, when I first started, it took me around 15 minutes to do my eyelashes and it was so tiring and I felt so disappointed because everybody claimed that they could do their lashes under 10 minutes and eventually I got it down to 10, then 8. Now with this technique I can do both eyes in under 5 minutes, and for me it's worth spending those 5 minutes because I know they will last from 6 to 7 days. After applying the extensions, seal everything with the bond. Coat your tweezers as well to prevent sticking and press the extensions gently to make sure they are secure. And if you are wondering what numbers I use, I like the number 14, 12, and 10, and I always separate the extensions by size beforehand, and that way I'm not scrambling to figure it out which one to use next. Another tip that I wanted to mention here is to avoid placing the extensions too close to the corners of your eyes, because I have noticed that they tend to poke and it bothers me, and I know for sure it will bother you as well. If that happens, I end up removing them the next day because it's so uncomfortable. And if you get glue on your skin, don't worry, don't stress, we'll clean that up afterwards. And congratulations, your lashes are done. I really love how they turn out and that you can customize them with whatever lash sizes you prefer. Now to clean up the glue on my skin, I use Garnier Micellar Water, the waterproof version, since I usually wear waterproof mascara. But if you don't, you can use regular micellar water and a Q-tip for more precision. Now my last tip for you is when it's time to dry your face after showering, don't use a regular towel. They shed lint which can stick to your lashes and look messy. I recommend using microfiber cloth. I found mine at IKEA and they are perfect for this. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure that you let me know in the comments if you will try this technique. Like this video so you can give it a boost, share with your friends, and if you like minimalist beauty tips, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And of course, I'm gonna recommend you to check this playlist for more content related. I also post in my channel small business related content and product reviews. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.